Let us do in this video the following example. Sketch the graph of a function such that the function satisfies all these four properties, okay? Here we will see lots of examples like this during the semester, okay? It looks maybe a little difficult, but it is not. The difficulty is because I'm asking just four properties, and other than that, you can do whatever you want. So my answer may not be equal to your answer, but qualitatively, they have to be the same, okay? They have to satisfy these four properties. So if you want, take a moment, pause the video, and solve this problem by yourself. See what you get. Then we can compare notes. I will anyway continue. Okay, so in these problems, first thing we do, we have to draw the conditions that we have, plot the conditions that we have. Okay, so in this case, we have a condition at -2. The function has to be equal to 3. Okay, so we plot it there. That is condition 1. Okay, the second condition is that the limit as x tends to -2 is equal to 1. Okay, so now there's a thing here. Let me use a different color. Because I already know that the value at -2 is 3, okay, the limit will come from the sides, okay? You see, and I draw it like this, just to indicate that there is a limit there, but there has to be a jump, okay? Because of what I was saying, that the value of f at -2 is 3. Okay, so this would be condition 2. Okay, then at -1 we have that the function is equal to 0, and this would be condition 3. Okay, and finally at -1 we have that the limit does not exist. Okay, so that one we will need to decide what we do. So whenever we have something like this, I would suggest to keep things simple, you know, like for example, if you have to go from here, from this point that is marked as condition 2, if you have to go to 3, okay? So I would just extend this line, and that's it. Okay, be done like that. This is 2, this is 3, this is 1. Okay, just to keep track of things. But then, so you want a limit, so maybe you want to extend from the left. It doesn't matter, you could draw also just a line if you wish. Okay, that's also fine. And what else? Are we done? No, the limit when x tends to -1 of f of x does not exist. So let's make it dramatic. So let's say we have a line like this, okay? And we would be done. So let's say this is -2, okay? So the function is constant there, but there is no limit as x goes to -1, okay? The function here got a little boring, so just to make it a little nicer for the video, let's do it like this. But either way is good, okay? Both examples work. So remember, in these problems, you have all the freedom to choose the function the way you like it. Just make sure that all the conditions are satisfied. So then you should go over the conditions again and say, okay, condition 1, check. Okay, condition 2, check. Condition 3, yes, check. Condition 4, check. make sure to do this every time you do a problem like this.